According to experts, the major cause of the pain in the joints, leg and back is improper posture, so you should definitely find a solution to correct it. On the other hand, this video will provide the recipe for a natural treatment that will effectively strengthen your bones and soothe the pain in your joints, neck, or back. Therefore, if you suffer from this kind of issue, you will surely benefit from its use. At first, you need to purchase 150 grams of edible organic gelatin. In the evening, mix 2 tablespoons of it with a quarter cup of cold water, and refrigerate the mixture. During the evening, it will turn into jelly. The next morning, add this mixture to your tea or yogurt, milk, juice, or even in your eggs. After only a week, you will feel the beneficial effects of gelatin. It will alleviate the pain in the neck, legs, wrists, and back as it acts as a natural lubricant of the joints. However, repeat it every morning for a month, and the pain will disappear completely. You can take a 6-month break and repeat it again. The extreme efficacy of this treatment is due to gelatin, which is a high-quality medicine of natural origin, and it contains potent acids, proline and hydroxyproline, which support the growth and enhance the structure of the connective tissue, which is essential in the treatment of painful bones and joints. Gelatin has numerous different health benefits, including prevents osteoarthritis and osteoporosis, enhances mental ability, provides elasticity and strengthens tendons and ligaments, boosts metabolism, helps in the treatment of dysplasia, improves hair and skin structure, enhances complexion, strengthens the joints and promotes heart health.